Hey thinkers, welcome back to Think Sharp Alley, the only alley where every turn leads to a smart solution. Today we are about to untangle another brainy beast of a problem. And trust me, this one's got just right mix of algebra and attitude. So if you're sitting there thinking how hard can a cube really be, well, you are about to find out. Let's just jump straight into this 5 marks HOTS question from class 9. Here's the question. Yep, it looks scary at first glance, but don't worry, I'm going to break it down step by step. So by the end of this video, you will be able to solve this with your eyes closed. Okay, maybe just one eye. Here we are going to apply the identity a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So here my a is x square plus 2y square and my b is 2x squared plus y squared. So let's apply this identity. So in place of a, I am going to substitute x squared plus 2y squared. After substituting in place of a, it looks something like this. Now let's substitute 2x squared plus y squared in place of b, which after substitution looks something like this. Now let's start solving this. So in the next step, we will combine the like terms, so x squared plus 2x squared, which gives us 3x squared, plus 2y squared plus y squared gives us 3y squared. And in the second part of the bracket, you can see we will apply in the first part a plus b whole squared. So a is this x squared and b is 2y squared. So a squared plus 2a into b plus b square completed minus, we have to simply multiply these two. So for multiplication, you can do it in the rough work and then copy it. So let's multiply x square plus 2y square into 2x square plus y square. In this way, what happens? My main work remains clean and the work is also done properly. X square into 2x square is 2x to the power 4 plus x square into y square is x square y square. Then with 2y square. So 2y square into 2x square gives me plus 4x square y square. 2y square into y square gives me 2y to the power 4. So which is equal to 2x to the power 4. X square plus y square, x square y square plus 4x square y square gives me plus 5x square y square plus 2y to the power 4 remains as it is. But as we have minus sign in front of this product, so the sign of each term will change. So I will have minus 2x to the power 4 minus 5x square y square and minus 2y to the power 4 plus. Again, this term we will break it in a similar manner. So we can do it in a rough work column and then copy paste over here. So it gives us 2x squared whole square. Just a second, let me clear this portion and let's resume. So 2x squared whole square is a squared plus 2ab, because a is 2x squared, b is y squared. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this part is completed. Properly, this part was a plus b whole square, where I have done a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then over here, again the same formula. And the middle three terms that you see, they have come from this product, right? So you can solve this separately and then write the answer or the result over here. Make sure the sign is correct. Now let's proceed to the next step, where from this part, I'll take 3 common. So I'm left with x squared plus y squared. And this part, let us just simply solve. So x to the power 4 plus, how do you multiply over here? Number with number, variable with variable. So 2 into 2, 4, x squared, y squared. Here also square will go. Okay, so 2 square is 4, y square whole square is y to the power 4. Minus 2x to the power 4 minus 5x square y square. This part, see, I've solved previously only. So just writing it down. And this part again, 4x to the power 4 plus again 4x square y square and plus y to the power 4. In the next step, this part remains as it is. We cannot solve it anymore. But in the second portion, we can arrange the like terms together. So x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 4 and 4x to the power 4. So that together gives me 3x to the power 4. Plus, let us take y to the power 4. Here I am having 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Again plus 3y to the power 4. Remaining as x square, y square terms. So 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3x square, y square. From here also definitely I'll take 3 common. 3 was already outside. So if I take another 3 common, I'm having 9. So x square plus y square into x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square, y square. Do you think my factorization is over here? No, it's not. We have to continue here. So let's solve the second part separately. This alone could be one question of 2 marks or 3 marks. So x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square plus y to the power 4 can be written as y square whole square plus x square, y square. Here the coefficient is 1. I'm writing it as 2x square, y square minus x square, y square. If you see it carefully, 2 minus 1 will give me plus 1. That is plus x square, y square only. So I'm just breaking x square, y square like this. So why did we do this? So if you combine the first 3 terms, you will see it's coming as x square plus y square whole square minus this part can be written as xy whole square. So here we will apply another identity which you can see on your screen. Plus b into a minus b. That's it. So we have completely factorized it. So let's put the same expression over here. So the factorized expression of this part is x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy. So that's it. We are done. This is my final factorized form of the given question. Hope you've enjoyed. So that wraps up our solution for this tricky 5-marker Hertz question. But hey, don't just log out yet. I've got a little challenge for all of you. So here's the challenge question. What if the powers weren't there and the question was simply this? How would that change the answer? Would your approach be the same? Comment below and let me know what you think. Remember, this isn't just a maths channel. This is a thinking channel and your thoughts matter. If you found this video helpful or at least slightly less painful than homework, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your classmates. Subscribe to Think Sharp Alley and hit that bell icon so you never miss a question that sharpens your mind. Stay curious, stay confident, and remember, every sharp mind needs a sharper alley. Catch you next time.